What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on Cardano because right now we are forming here several interesting trading setups on the 1 hour chart. So if you are interested about the exact trades that I'm planning to take here right now, or if you are interested about the exact price that I think Cardano is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. If you like my analysis and you want to know about all the trades and about all the potential setups that I'm currently watching, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group where I am sharing this every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 1 hour chart. Right now I am watching here breakout and potential support confirmation of this falling wedge on the 1 hour chart. But the main problem with this setup is that we are forming it under this bearish order block, which is between levels 1.019 and 0.991. So if there will be a support confirmation under this area, this long setup is still invalid. The only scenario in which this setup will be valid will be in case of a support confirmation in this bearish order block as well. The exact setup can then look, for example, like this. So entry will be somewhere in this bearish order block after a support confirmation. Stop loss in this case you want to place somewhere under this resistance of this falling wedge, probably like under this previous lows, because if we are gonna break them and there will be a resistance confirmation, we are probably gonna test these bullish order blocks. So yeah, you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. And your last take profit target, you can then place under something like $2 mark, something like that, which will give you a potential risk reward ratio around 26. Definitely in this case you want to take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits you definitely want to take like something above this bearish order block, because even if there will be a support confirmation, there is still some probability that the breakout of this bearish order block can be again just a fake out and just a liquidity grab like above this previous important highs. Then some of the profits you want to take under this first bearish order block area, which is between levels 1.098 and 1.058. Then some of the profits again above, so you can avoid a liquidity grabs. Then some of the profits above this current high, and then we will get into a price discovery phase. Not price discovery phase, but on the 1 hour chart you can see we don't have here any liquidity, and the only liquidity here is only from something like 1,000 days ago. So I don't know if this will be that relevant. So the next take profit targets I would take based on the important psychological resistances. So some of the profits you can, for example, take under like 1.3, 1.5, 1.7, and then you can save some back to a last take profit target. Maybe you are saying that I am using a lot take profit targets, but in this case in which we are speculating to like 100% of a net market with like 3.7% stop loss, I think it is really important to use that many take profit targets so you can manage your position properly. And I know that the risk reward ratio then is gonna be much lower. It will be like I don't know, like 17, 18, something like that, which is in my opinion still absolutely amazing trading scenario. And if you want to open here some trading position on the higher time frame, then you should wait for a support confirmation of this falling wedge on the 4 hour chart, and then you can trade here something like this. So on the 4 hour chart you actually don't have to pay attention to this bearish order block, but here you need to place your stop loss much lower. So the potential stop loss needs to be at least like 5 or 6% of a net market. Your last take profit target in this case can be again slightly under $2 mark, which will give you in this case risk reward ratio around 17. So you can see it's worse than on the 1 hour chart, but the potential, let's say the potential liquidation of this position is also lower. In this case you again want to take multiple take profit targets. Your first take profit target should be this bearish order block, which is between levels 1.07 and 1.039. Then again something under this previous highs, and then you can use the same take profit target, so under 1.3, 1.5, 7, and then you will save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end the risk reward ratio from this trading scenario will be like 12, 13, something like that, which is another absolutely amazing setup. On the higher time frame we are still under this bearish order block, which is between levels 1.242 and 1.094, but in the long time perspective I think it's only a matter of time until we will break this area and there will be a support confirmation. So the setup that that I talked about in my previous Cardano analysis is still valid. After a support confirmation of this bearish order block, you can trade here, for example, something like this. And in this case, you can actually speculate on the level 3.13, something like that. So you can speculate for a new all-time high, or you can, for example, speculate on a pump under this bearish order block. That's completely up to you. But again, in this case, you want to take your multiple take profit targets. So something like 1.4, 1.6, 2, 2.4, something under this bearish order block. And if above will be your last take profit target, you can also take some profits above this area. So yeah, these were the main setups that I'm currently watching here. And if you want to know about the exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing these types of setups every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. And if you, for example, saw my last Cardano analysis, then you know that I informed you about these two bullish order blocks. So if we are gonna test them, it's still a valid setup. So if there will be a liquidity grab with a support confirmation, I know that some of you were asking about it in my Discord trading group, then yeah, if there will be fake out with a support confirmation, you can still use it as a potential long entry. And if you didn't saw my previous Cardano analysis, definitely check it out, because I'm explaining there this setup in detail. But hey guys, as I said, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching this video. I will be really happy if you consider subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in my next video. See ya.